Today, I'll walk you through how to add external links in Obsidian so you can connect your notes to websites, articles, videos, and online tools directly from your vault. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian on your device and opening the vault where you want to add an external link. Then either select an existing note or create a new one for practice. Once your note is open, click exactly where you want the external link to appear, making sure to leave enough space for the link text if needed. Now open your web browser, navigate to the web page you want to reference, and copy the URL from the address bar. External links in Obsidian use a simple markdown format, which is essentially the text you want displayed inside square brackets, followed immediately by the URL inside parentheses. So to create a basic link, type an opening bracket, enter the text your readers will see, then type a closing bracket. Right after that, add the URL inside parentheses with no space between the bracket and the parentheses. For example, typing Obsidian website, https://obsidian. MD will create a clickable link that displays the text Obsidian website and takes you to that official page. Once you've typed out the link, switch to Reading View or Live Preview to confirm it appears as clickable, underlined text. Then test it by clicking the link to verify it opens the correct web page. You can also paste a URL directly into your note. Obsidian will often detect it automatically and turn it into a clickable link, which is a real time saver. From there, start adding reference links to articles, tutorials, or documentation to support your notes with external resources. You can also paste links to YouTube videos or online courses to keep learning resources accessible, and save links to productivity apps, calculators, or dashboards to create a central resource hub. To keep everything clean, organize your links under headings like resources or references so you can group similar links together. Always use descriptive link text instead of raw URLs. Meaningful names make your notes much easier to scan and understand at a glance. Periodically review your link accuracy to check that URLs still point to the intended destination, and update any broken or outdated links. For a truly connected knowledge system, combine external links with internal links to your other Obsidian notes, creating bridges between your own research and the wider web. You can even maintain a dedicated resource library note where you save frequently used websites, building a curated collection of references you can return to again and again. Finally, use external links throughout your vault. Add them to research notes, project documents, meeting notes, and dashboards. You've now learned how to add external links in Obsidian, keeping important online resources just one click away from your workspace. Happy linking, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.